my shit.
Where are we at?
H Mart.
Wait, which H Mart?
I don't know.
Bruh.
In Colorado.
I was like, it's good, fam. It's your boy Kevin. So right now I am at the Red Rock Amphitheater. He's in the car sleeping right now because she's pretty tired. But look at this view right here. Man. First time here. I'm trying to talk pretty loud because it's pretty quiet over here right now. But yeah, man, just look at that view. Day one of Colorado, Denver. I think we're gonna figure out and waste some more time because our hotel or hostel area check-in is at 4, and right now it is like 10:30, 11, so we got a lot of time to waste. So I'm gonna try to figure out what else we're gonna do after this. I decided to just record whatever I'm doing. You know, it's not just a car channel, be vlog style or install or whatever it is, car, hanging out with homies and all of that, whatever it is. I'm just gonna edit, post, and I hope y'all watch it. It's good, fam. I'm pretty layered up because we're about to go on a hike to up the mountain called Chief Mountain. Apparently it's supposed to have like a really nice view. Here's the road on the side at the beginning of the trail back there. There's cars back there. How long is supposed to be the trail? It's supposed to go up 45 minutes. We're gonna do this, see how it goes. There's actually a bunch of people down there doing it, so we're not too worried about it. It's like 20 something degrees right now. Hopefully I can show y'all a dope view in about an hour or so, but for y'all it's like a couple seconds. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully it's not that hard. Woo. Yeah, I mean, we stopped so many times because of me. So tired, dude. We got 30 minutes more left. Jeez. Woo! 2 hours later, made it. Man, I think we stopped like 27 times, dude. We're so out of shape. But I don't know. Man, look at that view. So worth it. The struggle's real, but it's so worth it. Going down's gonna be faster because, man, it's so steep. But so it'll be faster. We're just gonna relax for a bit and then we'll go down. I think sunset is like 4 or something. Right now it's like 2:30. So yeah, 2:30. So we'll be fine. But and I'll catch y'all when we go down.
Yeah? How are you
was just like, I had this whole thing in my head. Now it's all gone. I'm lost. But Mary Quince Hill, will you be with me forever and let me annoy you forever? Let me feed you all this food and be my wife?
What are you doing right now?
Making food.
We're in the kitchen right now. I haven't shown y'all the, I guess, would you call it a hotel, hostel, slash hostel that we're staying at. The cool thing about this place is one of the things they have is a community kitchen. So you can come in and cook whatever food you want. And as long as you just clean up after yourself. But yeah, full stove, microwave, air fryer, coffee maker, everything. So let me show y'all around. Here he's looking at right now is this is mainly most of the guest stuff, and up here they have it where all this is free and you're welcome to use it. Also, there's fridge with people's food with their name on it. And we have some stuff in here, but yeah, you just kind of kitchen. Right now it's currently 6 in the morning. 6:01, Monday the 4th, January. And we are currently making ramen for breakfast. Yeah. So Asian of us. And she's about to make some Ortiz mashed potato. Because today we're gonna get our snowboarding stuff and go snowboarding all day. Yesterday, man, we were exhausted. 3 hours of sleep, driving around, hiked the mountain, all that stuff. So we went to sleep at like 8:30. Breakfast of champions. Time to get ready for snowboard.
Place that we're staying at, I don't know if you can see, looks pretty cool. Look at the view, mountains everywhere. And yeah, couldn't see much last night, but man, we're like by mountains, so it is probably like 20 something degrees right now. So. Snow gear. Woo. Alright, I'm gonna record probably on my little 360 camera. I hope it's still good footage. If not, it is what it is. I wanna have fun. tired, dude. Ski, snowboarding, so exhausting. Got Mary over there. Look at that. Let's go down. Have to go down now.
Maybe it's not Mary. Maybe it's love.
Well, whatever it is, pray that it never hits you.
I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way you say it is.
Well, it's gotta be that way with me. But I've only loved one man. I've got a hunch I'm never gonna feel no other kind of love.
Couple days since you probably last saw me. This is our last snowboarding day. We already did it. We just came back. Got a major headache, man. Banged my head pretty hard. Now we're just chilling. We need some brewery beer. I don't want to calm down this headache. All right, let's go. I have a headache, so I'm gonna cure it with this. Ooh, let me set y'all up real quick. What's good, fam? Editing this video right now. Just trying to give y'all a little backstory. On the proposal part, her reaction is like that because it's a long story short, but we were already engaged before that proposal, and it's kind of weird. Like I kind of not did it the traditional way, but so we were already together kind of thing, but so she knew, and that's why her reaction is, it was kind of not like everybody else. Oh my god. So two, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I appreciate you watching the video. It means a lot to me. Life's been kind of wild right now, and I have a lot of things going on, but I'm trying to. I have some video ideas coming up soon. Inspire website is live right now. We have jet tags. We have stickers, these small decals. We have window banners, the same color, gold, satin gold, metallic, gloss white, and color shift. We have shirts. Time you're watching this video, the website's been up for about a week, and I have to say the first launch went pretty well. To all y'all who purchased something, if you're watching this video now, like for real, thank you, and to everybody else, like really means a lot to all of us. Big first start to something great, hopefully. So till next time, deuces.